Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to get rare tokens in any blast tent. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. First option, join a raid. Participate in raids within the game. Raids are challenging missions where you and your team battle powerful enemies. Look for active raid events or join a raid lobby to get started. Second option, defeat bosses. During the raid, focus on defeating the bosses. The better you perform, the more rare tokens you will earn. Bosses typically drop tokens upon defeat, so ensure you are contributing to the fight. Third option is to complete raid objectives. Some raids have specific objectives or challenges that can reward additional raid tokens. Pay attention to these objectives and complete them for bonus tokens. The fourth option is to earn high scores. The amount of raid tokens you can earn be influenced by your score in the raid. Higher scores usually mean more tokens. Fifth option is daily and weekly rewards. Check the game's daily and weekly rewards systems. Often you can earn raid tokens by completing daily quests or achieving milestones related to raids. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.